in the gate for the SEMA Stakes. And they're off. Galaxy Cat set sail for the lead along with Sammy Sam, and Leestown Light is prominent. Here's Cutie Sabrina ranging up on the outside. Blues Gray is fifth, followed by Madame Falcon in sixth, and Go ATM has dropped back to last as they round the first turn. Collect Z Cat cuts that corner in front of Cutie Sabrina, who's close, with Sammy Sam next in third and settled there. Leestown Light is fourth, a length and a half back to Blues Gray. 3 more lengths back to Madame Falcon, and Go ATM has dropped back to last. The opening quarter in 23 and 4/5 seconds, 5.5 furlongs to go in the SEMA Stakes. Don Symington and Collect Z Cat the leader by just inside a length. Cutie Sabrina tracks that one with Sammy Sam a close third. Blues Gray now makes progress at the wet track rail as they head to the half-mile pole. Leestown Light is 6 lengths adrift, still 4 more lengths back to Madame Falcon, and Go ATM still trails. Half-mile in 47 and 4. Going into the far turn, aiming for Collect Z Cat, the leader by a half length. Sammy Sam right there, put in a position to challenge 3 furlongs from home. Sammy Sam now raising the stakes on Collect Z Cat. Toward the rail is Blues Gray. Leestown Light, Cutie Sabrina is fifth and put to pressure above the quarter pole. Go ATM now from out of last, and Madame Falcon has been relegated to the tail, top of the stretch. 3 quarters, 1:13 and 1. In the final furlong and a half, Sammy Sam up to take the lead. Collect Z Cat now feeling the pinch. Blues Gray is finding nil in the final furlong. Go ATM mounting a stand-side charge. But Sammy Sam with an unassailable lead under Cisco Torres in the SEMA Stakes. Sammy Sam has torn them to shreds. Sammy Sam by 7. Go ATM finished second. Collect Z Cat was third. Blues Gray finished fourth, well cleared.